to set Google Task Reminders notification as alert in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus, or S21 Ultra. Open settings, select the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find Google, and then select Google Services. Scroll down screen, and then tap settings for Google Apps. Select Search, Assistant, and Voice, and then tap Notifications. Tap Notifications again, and then select Task Reminders, and then to set Google Task Reminder notification as alert, select Alert. Tap back button to save. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.